This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook drumsticks on the grill. First, ensure your drumsticks are patted completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve that wonderfully crispy skin we all love. Next, marinate them for at least 30 minutes or even up to 4 hours to infuse them with incredible flavor. Finally, preheat your grill to a steady medium-high heat, aiming for about 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, before placing the chicken on the grates. Once your grill is hot, place the drumsticks directly over the heat to get a nice sear. Turn them every 2 to 3 minutes to brown all sides evenly. After about 10 minutes of direct heat, move them to the cooler, indirect heat zone of your grill. This allows them to cook through without burning. Remember to close the lid to keep the heat consistent and help them cook perfectly. Knowing when your drumsticks are perfectly cooked is crucial. The best way to ensure doneness is by using a reliable meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the drumstick, making sure not to touch the bone, as this can give you an inaccurate reading. Your drumsticks are fully cooked and safe to eat when they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures they are juicy and delicious. After achieving that perfect internal temperature, it's essential to remove your drumsticks from the grill and let them rest. Allow them to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This resting period is vital because it allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making each drumstick incredibly tender and flavorful. Then, they're ready to be enjoyed with your favorite accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.